District 30 each way.
30 minutes at
Kasama ito. Programs lang. Quezon.
Yung mga plans ng Rotary po.
Hanggang Bicol pa nila. Kasi makalaki lang ang areas.
Sir, ano po ang ginagawa po natin na public service sa nakakawag po sa akin?
Well, there are just too many. If you ask me, makarami tayo ng gabi. However, we have so many advocacies. And one is so I have advocated for PLAC to start PLAC this during this year. And hopefully, we'll complete the project through the years. So, magsimula na kami and of course, our city planning, so helping us. I remember I was in Camarines and we planted 16,000 mangrove in one day. So, throughout the mangrove plants in the district, meron silang project na ganito. Kasi environmental concern, napakalaking bagay na yun.
Pero bakit sir, kapili natin? Bakit magtulungan mo sa red? Bakit po kayo sir?
Well, in this matter naman, sa bloodletting na ito, we have been actually cooperating with Red Cross. It's not the first year. We have continuously been supporting Red Cross in blood donation. Because we know that Red Cross is a non-profit organization needs partners, reliable partners like Rotary, and in this case, the Rotary Club. So, Lipa, as a partner, we get to concentrate on the blood donation portion. In fact, this building was built from the funds of our city bank. The land, and nabigay sa inyo. That's the kind of partnership that we are doing. And hopefully, this will be replicated in my other clubs. Kasi maganda itong pasimula na ginawa ng city bank. For the middle time of President Limbo back and now being continued during the time of ito po ang mga figures dito in the last 2 years. So, people like them, hindi pwedeng hindi ako sumama dyan. Nakakaya naman.